2017 Jayco White Hawk 27 DSRL for sale in Oaks, North Dakota 58474, brand new. Never used. Get ready for your next camping adventure with this 2017 Jayco White Hawk 27 DSRL. This luxury travel trailer is 31.42 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 6 guests. It has been outfitted with 1 power retractable slide-out, 1 power retractable awnings, and leveling jacks. This Jayco is ready to make your traveling dreams come true. This Jayco White Hawk is perfect for anyone who enjoys a world-class residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, this Jayco is eager to become your next home away from home. Highlights of its advantages include Corian Counter Tops, 3-burner stove/oven, microwave refrigerator/freezer, double kitchen sink, dinette with booth-style seating, television, surround sound, outside entertainment, CD/DVD/stereo, cable-ready sofa, sleeper chair, stand-up shower, toilet, sink, master queen-size bed, storage dresser, closet, underneath storage, furnace, heat pump, and so much more. This 2017 Jayco White Hawk 27 DSRL has been very well maintained. It has been smoke and pet-free, which speaks to its excellent condition. This Jayco is priced well below its true value, so don't miss out on such an amazing opportunity. Call today for more information on how you can truly cherish every moment of your recreational experiences with this unparalleled 2017 Jayco White Hawk 27 DSRL.